If you are still clicking through menus in Excel, you are wasting hours. In the next few minutes, I will show you some of the most powerful keyboard shortcuts that will help you work faster, save time, and look like an Excel pro. Let's jump in. To select entire row for selected cell, press Shift space, and for column, press Control space. To insert a row or column, press Ctrl Shift plus. A pop-up window will appear as appearing on your screen. Select entire row or entire column as required and press OK. You may avoid this pop-up window by using keyboard shortcut just shared before. You select the row by pressing Shift spacebar and then press Ctrl Shift plus. Excel will enter the row. Similarly, press Ctrl space and then press Ctrl Shift plus to enter the column. To delete row or column in Excel, please press Ctrl minus. A pop-up window will appear like insert. Then select row or column you want to delete and click OK. If you want to delete row or column without pop-up window, then you need to select row or column you want to delete. To select a row, press Shift space, then press Ctrl minus to delete the row. For column, press Ctrl space to select the column, then press Ctrl minus to delete the column. To hide rows for selected cells, press Ctrl 9. To hide column for selected cells, press Ctrl 0. To go to last filled cell of the active cell, row or column, press Ctrl and respective arrow. If I press Ctrl and right arrow, I will reach to profit, last cell of first row. Similarly, if I press Ctrl and down arrow, I will go to last cell of the column. Then Ctrl right arrow, Ctrl up arrow, again Ctrl left arrow. If I insert a blank row in between, now if I press Ctrl down arrow, I will go to last cell, that is row 20 only. To select current region of your data, press Ctrl Shift asterisk. As you can see, data has been divided into two parts, top and bottom. Hence, when I am pressing Ctrl Shift asterisk, it is selecting top region only. If I select any cell in bottom region, then press Ctrl Shift asterisk, it will select bottom region. If I delete the blank row, it will select the complete data. You can also select data using Ctrl A. Once you have selected your data by pressing Ctrl Shift asterisk or Ctrl A, you can move to four corners of your data by pressing Ctrl period. If I press first time, it will go to top left corner. Then it will move clockwise. You can press Ctrl period to go to any corner of your data. To go to cell A1 from anywhere on your sheet, press Ctrl Home. And to go to last cell of your used range, press Ctrl End. Hope it will help. Thanks for watching.